Alright everybody, got a new Loom. This is the Loom Knitting Basics set with 4 fun project quick reference guide. It shows you how to do a hat, a baby blanket, a scarf, and a washcloth with this loom. So that is really cool because this loom, if I'm not mistaken, I think I can make socks on this one too. Ooh, cute patterns. Oh, I like the texture of the washcloth. Okay, and the baby blanket's going to be panels. Ooh, a rib scarf. Oh, and that is a very neat hat. I've never done one like that, so I will definitely be checking this out. So, let's open it up. Do I have some tape? I'm sure I do. And that takes care of the tape. Oh, just tape it off. Okay. First, we'll have a quick go through of the book. That hat's really neat. Once they did a flat panel there, I'm not 100% how they did that top. Okay, so it's showing you cast on stitches, increasing, decreasing techniques, how to do cables, bind off, seaming, I-cord, crochet, border. Oh, it does show you some sock knitting charts, heels, toes, Kitchener stitch, nice. Shows you how to do some single knitting, double knitting, sock knitting, abbreviations. So let's flip through it real quick. It's showing you how to cast on just some different cast-ons. Now it's showing you some stitches, the knit stitch, the U-stitch, flat stitch, purl stitch, cast on, increasing, not cast on, it's teaching you how to increase, knit 2 together, slip stitches, cables, binding off, how to sew your ends together, pull string for the hat, sock knitting. This is good information to have. It's telling you what weight yarn to use and how many yards? Yes. And how many yards for socks. And then which gauge sock loom. Okay, so it's telling you what gauge sock loom you want to use too. Nice. And how many pegs you need. Okay, it's going over some different techniques, how to do a Kitchener stitch, how to do double knitting. It's actually increasing and decreasing in cables with double knitting. Really nice. Bind off. Oh, the hat project's loose in there. Okay. The hat project. Your abbreviations, terms, and here are your other projects. Awesome. Okay, so the book seems really nice. Let's check out the loom. Oh, it's very, very smooth. KB looms. Okay, and you have a loom tool, your crochet hook, tapestry needle, stitch markers, and an official KB Looms tape measure. Fantastic. It's actually a really nice tape measure too. Make sure I put that in there the right way. This is a very nice starter kit for somebody who is just learning how to loom knit. This is really cool. I need to move that book up a bit. There we go. That's what that plastic decrease is for right here. Indent. There we go. That is really cool. It shows a good bit of things you can do with it. And it's not showing you the same E-wrap hat that curls up with the pull string top, which is I think the first project every single person does on a knitting loom. It's showing you things that are a little more challenging. And as a beginner set, this is really cool. I mean, a lot of people will just learn one stitch, two stitches, and get intimidated by everything else. So this kind of goes over a few different stitches, some cute projects. This is a really nice beginner set. That's really cool. I don't know why I waited so long to get this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome.